Can you imagine eating a rice that could prevent blindness? Or medicine that is made from bacteria? Sounds crazy, right? But this is the world of GMOs. Hi, good day. I'm Shamaya Ventura and today we will talk about genetically modified organisms or what we call GMO. But before that, let's watch this short video. So, what is GMO? GMO or genetically modified organisms are living things like plants, animals, or microorganisms whose DNA has been changed by the modern technology. Scientists modify or edit the genes of these organisms to give them the desired traits like resistance to pests or give them improved nutritional value.
Why do we have GMOs? Actually, we've been modifying crops for thousands of years to prevent crop loss from pest and weather damage, to grow more food on less land, even to improve nutrition. Today, GMOs are developed for the same reasons. With genetic engineering, scientists can change and improve crops more easily and quickly. Feed your mind with more GMO facts on FDA's website.
In the 1970s, the scientists have discovered how to directly change the DNA. And by 1892, they have created the first GMO medicine, which is human insulin, used by the diabetic patients. And in the 1990s, GMO crops like soybeans and corns have become widespread. Did you know that humans have been modifying crops thousands of years through breeding, but GMOs are still more precise and faster? So, are GMOs really safe? Scientific organizations like World Health Organizations and US Food and Drug Administrations have stated that GMO-approved products are safe to eat, and before they released it, it undergone strict testing before they are released to the public market.
Do GMOs affect your health? Well, years of research in the US and around the world shows GMO foods are just as safe to eat as non-GMO foods. And any long-term health effects from GMO foods are no different than those from non-GMO foods. There are even GMO plants created with improved nutritional value, like a GMO soybean that produces healthier oil. Feed your mind with more GMO facts on FDA's website.
Some common GMO products like corns and soybeans, which are often used in processed foods. And golden rice is genetically modified to contain DNA to help prevent blindness in children. Did you know that golden rice was developed to reduce the vitamin A deficiency, especially in developing countries like Philippines, India, Bangladesh, where many children doesn't get enough vitamin A in their daily diet? So, do you think GMOs are important in nursing? Genetically modified bacteria are used to produce insulin for diabetic patients. GMOs are also used to develop vaccines and medicines, and also that can help in improving patient care. Did you know that before GMOs, insulin are usually taken from animals like cows and pigs? So despite all the benefits that we have talked about, GMOs are still controversial, and most of the people has been worrying for environmental effects, like they are harming the biodiversity. Some people are concerned with the long-term effects of eating GMOs, and they are fearing it. They avoid the products. That's why some people are raising concerns with GMO products that are not labeled, that this contain GMO products, and some are also concerned with ethical issues because they are modifying life forms. So in conclusion, GMOs are not just about changing genes, they are about shaping the future of food, health, and human survival. Science shows us that approved GMOs are safe, and they are already helping us to fight hunger, improve nutrition, and produce life-saving medicines. However, the concerns and debates remind us that we must use this technology responsibly and ethically. So as future healthcare professionals, it is important for us to stay informed and base our decisions on evidence and not fear. Because in the end, understanding GMOs is not just about science, it's about making better choices for ourselves, our patients, and the world. So that's all, and thank you for listening.